So what I've got here is the Kranzle snow foam bottle. What I've got on this one here is the long spigot system. What I mean by that is this is the one that is the longer one than the one for the domestic machines. So as you'll see, it's nearly 3.5 inches long, is this spigot. So this is not the one for the 1050 gun that they do, the Kranzle 1050. This is the longer type. Obviously this snow foam bottle, so the beauty about this system is obviously you can open and close this system, but you can also change the angle. But also what the beauty about it is, inside there, like all the foam bottles, you've got a filter inside there, and it's very quickly and easy to get hold of, to get into. So if we look at this system, what we can do is simply turn it and you'll see this clip. That clip can be pulled out and straight away you're straight into that little stainless steel mesh inside there. We change the angle now, so that can be obviously horizontal or vertical, and you can also open that spray pattern up from a 0-degree spray pattern to a wide angle system. Bottle is also made to stand up, so unlike others in the marketplace, they drop over. It's a good wide base on the bottom of it, but it's also got two flat sides to get hold of it, so it's not fully round. Measuring to measure how much you put in there, and like I say, this has got the stainless steel spigot system that's used in the marketplace for the quick release guns. Thank you very much. Q Services, Qwashers, eBay and YouTube.